Hi YouTube, I'm Taylor. Welcome to Ginger Next Door. I am equal parts excited and extremely nervous for today's video. So as you probably already noticed from the title, and is probably the reason you clicked on this video, today I'm going to be trying to tint my eyebrows using Just for Men beard dye. So the main reason that I wanted to try this is actually because my mom told me that sometimes if she colors my dad's hair, she'll put a little extra in her eyebrows. So that's where I got this idea. So if it goes terribly, I blame you, Mom. Just kidding. It's fine. I was a little bit nervous to just go for it though, so I searched for this specific type of video on YouTube and there were tons of videos about it. It seemed like the overall consensus was that it was fine as long as you follow the directions. This is on here to leave it on for 5 minutes. I'm only going to leave it on for like 3 because I'm real nervous. So as you can see, these are my absolutely naked eyebrows. They're very, very blonde. They are starting to get fuller because I've been taking hair vitamins, so I'm actually growing eyebrow hairs, which is great, and that's why I wanted to tint them, because when I don't have any makeup on, my face needs some eyebrows. Especially in times where I don't want to put on any other makeup, I always end up putting something in my eyebrows just because I feel like it helps to make my face look more like a face. If you have super blonde eyebrows, no judgment. It's not like I look at other people and think, wow, where are your eyebrows? Like, I know I have no eyebrows. I'm not judging anybody else. This is only based on for my own self to be able to look in the mirror at the gym and not be like, whoa! I just need a little something. I'm stalling, can you tell? Okay, it's gonna be fine. It's fine. They're just eyebrows. It's fine. They're just eyebrows. So the color that I got in this is M35 medium brown. Usually when I fill my eyebrows in, my brow products are always a kind of more medium brown and not necessarily like an auburn. So hopefully, do I look like this man? I think I do. Yeah, we'll see. So inside of this fancy box, wow, they really hook it up for dudes. You have your Just for Men color base. You have your color developer. They give you this little brushy guy, but that makes me feel like nervous that I'm just going to end up getting it all over my face. So I'm actually just going to use a little mascara applicator. This is just a disposable one. And then, oh, some glovies. That's nice. And here we go. There's a really tiny, weird looking bug crawling around on these instructions. That's unsettling. Okay. Wow. They really give dudes a lot of instructions how to do this. That's nice of them. Well, this says on here, important, wash face after application, not before. That's good to know. I also have a pack of little wipes sitting here just in case of emergency. I'm gonna get one of those out handy. Ooh. I guess I'll put on one of these gloves, just in case. Wearing gloves. These are big gloves because they're for men. And men have manly hands. Okay, so this says squeeze equal parts of the stuff into the little tray. I'm only going to use just the tiniest little drop because I barely need any, because it's just my tiny eyebrows. So, goo a little of that in there. An equal part of that. Oh, okay. Is that equal? Oh, good enough. Okay, I'm only using like the tiniest little amount because I have like 3 eyebrow hairs. I'm gonna use the end of this mascara applicator to mix these together. Suddenly, I am very nervous. My heart is racing. What's that song? Palms are sweaty, knees weak, mom's spaghetti? I'm assuming it's gonna get darker once I put it onto my face. This is really not that big of a deal. It's going to be fine. It's gonna be fine, right? I'm sorry. Listen, I can't with the gloves. This says to avoid getting product on the skin, put some petroleum jelly around the beard line. I already mixed it and I don't have any petroleum jelly, so we're just gonna go for it. If it stains my skin, that's my own fault for being a moron. Apply quickly. Use brush to apply mix to dry hair. Do not massage product in with your hands. Got it. So since I'm nervous and this is my first time doing this, I'm only going to put these on for like 3 minutes. So basically I'm just gonna brush this on the same way I would like an eyebrow mascara gel. So I'm going to pull on my brows forward first to coat them. Go back over them with the product. I'm just thinking, if you were doing a whole beard, wouldn't it take longer than 5 minutes? I feel like that one's already getting darker. Timer. Start. Alright, timer started for 3 minutes. I really hope that I got this on there evenly. It's already getting dark. It's already getting dark. Mayday. Mayday. Oh no, my timer didn't start! What is happening? My thing tells me, okay, I have 2 minutes because I started it when I was at 1 minute. Okay. That was a close call, you guys. I'm nervous because this side looks really dark. So hopefully I don't have black eyebrows. Okay, timer done. I'm going to use a makeup wipey to take off whatever is on there so I don't get it all over my face. Okay, so far so good. Actually, I'm really excited. This also says to shampoo it out, so I'm gonna go wash my face with face wash really quick, and I'll be right back. Overall, I would say I'm pretty freaking jazzed about my eyebrows right now. If you see any weird patchiness in there, it's because my eyebrows are patchy, not because the product was weird. I have freaking eyebrows. Normally when I do my brows, I put a brow mascara in them first, so either the Busy Gal Brow from Tarte or the Gimme Brow from Benefit, and it gives me this exact result, and then I go over it with a pencil or a gel or whatever I'm using that day. So this just basically made it so that I can skip a step. I have eyebrows and I have no other makeup on and my eyebrows are still on my face. It's so jarring. This is great. I'm super excited right now. See, I was nervous for nothing. It's fine. And that, my friends, is anxiety summed up into one sentence. I can't stop looking at my eyebrows in the mirror right now because I can't believe those are just my eyebrows. This is the best. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, as always, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, blah, blah, blah. Thank you for taking this journey with me. We made it through together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna go stare lovingly at my eyebrows for hours and hours. Goodbye.